Welcome to our channel. Today we bring shocking news of an aviation incident at Haneda International Airport in Tokyo. On the afternoon of January 2nd, Japan Airlines flight JF516, operated by an Airbus A350-900, collided during landing with a Japanese Coast Guard aircraft. The impact resulted in a fire that engulfed both aircraft. Despite the tragedy, rescue operations were immediately initiated, ensuring the successful evacuation of all 379 occupants from the Airbus. Passengers and crew faced danger as flames consumed the fuselage. Witnesses report seeing flames immediately after the collision. Passengers were forced to evacuate, while Haneda Airport authorities responded promptly. Investigations are already underway to determine the exact circumstances of the accident. Haneda Airport, one of Asia's busiest, saw its operations impacted with only one runway in operation. This incident raises concerns about safety at busy airports and underscores the importance of rigorous safety protocols in ground communication. How can we ensure safety in critical situations like this? Don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on this and other impactful events in aviation. Until the next update, fly safely.